Alright, I've got another lawnmower attachment for you here. It's pretty similar to the last one that I did, which takes the plastic or rubber chute off the side of the deck, and I put a plate over that so you can mulch or let the grass blow at the same time, either way. But since this is on a stand-up lift, the engineering is going to be a little bit different on this one, but functions pretty much the same. Here's how I built this thing. Alright, I've already pulled the bolts out of this rubber chute, but here's what I'm looking at doing. I'm getting rid of this chute, and this mower also comes with the mulching door that just slides in a hole there, just like the grasshopper machines do. But I'm going to cut a different plate, oops, sorry about that, that will fit this. I think I'm going to get rid of these and make some different hinges that hinge out here closer. And the plan is to have a rod come up to right about here with just a 90-degree handle on it that you can rotate back and forth to raise that plate up and down. That's the plan anyways. Let's see if I can make it happen. Here's the hinges I cut out, fixing to weld the plate on. Here's the plate that I made. I put a bend in it to match the curve of the mower deck. Let me get that welded up and I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Alright, here's my little trick for this one. This piece right here is basically just a steering knuckle for a lawnmower. So I welded it. It fit just over that bolt, and I welded it to that hinge where it pivots. And I've got a handle bent with a piece of tubing it fits in. And that rod, this end is going to weld to that knuckle, and that tubing is going to weld to this bracket that I just bolted on. And there it is. Opens up and move it back down, and it's closed. Hit this thing with a little paint. It should be ready to install here. Here's something I forgot to mention. The rod slides up and down inside that tubing when you raise the deck up or lower it. So I had to make sure that that rod length was correct so it wouldn't bind up on that tubing. All right, there it is. Got it installed, and I'm pretty happy with the way it functions. I'm going to show you the operation. I'll push up with it here. Push it up, and then it'll act as the chute to kind of keep the grass from blowing up. And handle all clears down to mulch. If you guys haven't had the opportunity yet, be sure and subscribe to my channel and see what other kind of adventures I'm taking on. You never know what I'm going to end up doing. But go ahead and leave me a comment on this and let me know what you think about it all. I'd like to hear from you. Thanks for watching.